Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss the meaning of the lightning bolt sign next to your friend's name on the Snapchat map feature. Why does this sign appear and what does it mean when it's next to your friend's Bitmoji on the map? If you use the map feature and you are sharing your location with some of your friends and he she also share their location with you, there's a chance that the lightning bolt will show next to your friend's Bitmoji. Even if you are not sharing your location but your friend is sharing theirs with you, you might still see this sign on the Snap map. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on social media.